totally collapsed. In the countryside, especially in the mountain area, they are very suffering. 3 months, wow. Good morning, guys. We are going to Bogo City to volunteer there. Philippines has given me so much things, like kindness and unconditional hospitality. There's an affected area which needs manpower, like carrying water or heavy stuffs, and also there is lacking of like food. That's why we bought bread to make people's stomach fill. Yeah, let's see the real situation in Bogo. I heard it's devastating currently. So yeah, let's check and let's try to help as much as we can. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Kumusta?
We are going to Bukid.
Bukid. You know Bukid.
Not in the highway.
No highway. Okay.
Outside, yes.
Many.
Mountainous area.
In the center of
yeah, they don't receive relief goods.
We can take it.
Ada na.
Gangster to yung
So easy going.
Gangster?
Oh, gangster.
Okay. We are the ones who gonna carry everything to the van. That's why you need manpower.
Yes.
Leave it up to me. I'm former soldier. As we get closer to epicenter, many people are standing along the road holding bowls asking for food and water. So place where we are going now is more serious than this place, right? Like situation is more intense.
Much worse.
Okay.
Yes.
What? Mountain parts.
Nakatag Mountain. Bukid.
So they don't let
We'll
you
go up Bukid.
Bukid. Okay. So they don't let you much.
It's very dangerous.
Okay. Dangerous? Like so many gangs?
It's okay.
Joke. Okay.
Don't make it serious. Joke.
Okay.
We will laugh.
Yeah.
The houses.
Oh, totally collapsed.
Kayo. Oh, here. There. Oh my God.
Okay, Nana? You sleep outside?
So you're scared?
Yeah. We also, even we stay in Cebu City, but we also feel the shock.
Yeah,
so I think here must also.
So there is still like aftershock here in San Miguel. Aftershock. How about electricity? No electricity at all.
How
about water? Yeah, water. No at all.
We're sleeping outside.
Outside? How about your home? Damaged?
Totally damaged.
So they need more supply of water and food from Cebu City, right? They need more
We need water and food.
water and food.
We don't have rice, milk for my daughter. That's why we are here. Thank you so much.
So there's not enough support in the countryside, especially in the mountain area.
Yes. Their place.
Their place.
We will go there.
Okay.
Many houses now.
Yeah.
We need to help.
It feels like a lot of support only focusing on Bogo City.
Yeah.
So we should split, right?
Ang kamo na ang inyong kuan, San Remigio o Bugor or kanang boundary na siya.
San Remigio.
So na kuan siya bilong siya Bogo ug San Remigio or boundary.
Ano yung city dito?
Inyong city Bogo, ang inyong baryo, lungsod ninyo San Remigio. Okay.
Hello. May hapa.
Makasulod oy.
It's very narrow.
Basta nasunod ako igagaw, okay na.
Okay na. Gunit. Gunit na gunit.
So we arrived at a place where there very jungle and very countryside where definitely there is no support here. So we're gonna try to support them, food and everything, and we will see that situation is a mountain area.
Let's go. My husband said he's ashamed. No, it's okay. I think everybody have this kind of like sometimes they have difficulties. So yeah, we just help each other, not only be helping, right?
Yes, thank you.
It's okay.
Really, you're so very good person.
You too. That's why we meet. I think destiny.
Thank you, Mom. Love you. I love you. Wala, Ma'am. Kaya sudlan na lang gid mo. Mao naabot mi ka na. Kana diha. Wala pa.
Let's go.
Wala pod. Ako nang ayaan. Okay. That's my mom's house, Mom.
Ah.
Okay.
Wait, alright. Yeah, it's jump.
Asa na balayan niyo?
Actually, must be tough living under no electric and water. And some houses are crushed, right?
Yes.
There's no, how to say, food coming from outside, no? But what food do you eat now? No food?
No. The important.
Sorry?
Water.
Water.
Water. This
Yeah.
morning she cried and she said to me, I'm so very hungry. No, you have to wait later. We don't have
Yeah.
rice to cook it. Even the congee.
Ang atong buhatong amin. Nung una man ang ano basita no. Maghatag mi ninyo play stop. Nya mo to lang dito kamo ni.
So you guys are all sleep outside in the tent like this. No internet, no electric, no water.
So very difficult. So difficult to buy in tindahan.
Tindahan? Tindahan is like a sari-sari store?
Egg store.
Ah, okay.
Because they're closed. We're waiting for support from the government, but so delayed.
So delay.
Yes, because their priority is Bogo and
Bogo.
Sanrem.
Ah,
But here, so difficult to accept the support from government because so
far,
yeah.
far.
Yeah.
Here definitely needs help. You know, mountain area and countryside. You know, there's no support from government, and then they really literally sleep on the tent, under the jungle, no matter bad weather it is. It's very tough. And they told me that they just drink water in this morning today, and they're very starving. You know, starvation is very serious here. They try to keep smiling, but once we talk a lot, and more, you know, they couldn't hold their tears back, and it means a lot for me. They're really, you know, suffering. So try to, you know, help our brother and sister in the Philippines. You can see there are so many people, you know, even though this small town, we definitely need more help and more support.
Siya ra gyud ang ato matawag ang Ginoo ra gyud. Diba?
Gamay ang burato, hindi niya kopsa na, hindi niya unisa. Como ka, lobok kolo.
Papaya! Banana!
Rosada, hey, Rosada, hey, watermelon,
Papaya!
Amping, take care. Take care. Amping. Yeah, they are in intense situation in affected area. Hope, you know, all of the volunteer or staff and support can reach out to those people. Look at this, those in the countryside. We should tell this situation. People in the countryside, especially in the mountain area, they are very suffering. Look at so many people here. So this is our third destination, distributing food to the family. People living here. It's very countryside, oy. It's very slippery.
Yeah.
It's So Kira, even though this is such a jungle place, there's a family who is living here, and they need urgently help. This is the house where they are living. It's very far from this main part. They must need help. So we're gonna have a dinner here in this place. Kapoy.
Another one again.
Another bus.
Next day or tomorrow, I don't know.
Another batch.
Yeah.